guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you another song to play on the ukulele since a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach this song. Since nagda-trending din ito sa TikTok and sa Facebook, it's the When I Look at You na singing challenge, yung hihiga ka habang kumakanta ng kantang to. So, ayun. But before we proceed to the tutorial, shoutout muna tayo kay Robert Carmelo Lobregas, Catherine Faith Lacson, Genevieve Buenaventura, Heidi Grace Boyser, Carmel Labrador, Bea Aliana Reyes, Janine Mojica, Michaela Cabe, Carl Fernando, and lastly, shout out kay Akiza Madulara. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to use my Love You ukulele. So if you're interested with this instrument, then you may check out the details on the description box below. So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 5 basic chords on the ukulele. So for the first chord, we have the chord of D minor, and it looks like this one. Focus! So you need to put your index finger here, and middle finger here, and fourth finger here. Yan. So maglalagay din ako ng illustrations para hindi kayo maguluhan. The next chord that you need to learn is the chord of F, and it looks like this one. Index and middle finger. Yon! And the next chord is the chord of C, so you just have to put your middle finger on the first string, 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the chord of C. So the next chord that you should learn is the chord of B flat, or also known as A sharp. So A sharp siya sa guitar, while it's called B flat sa ukulele. So you just need to put your index finger here on the first 2 strings on the 1st fret, and then put your middle finger and your 4th finger here. So it looks like an E minor, pero kailangan mo lang ipitin tong dalawang to. Tas, ayan. Okay? So this is B flat. And the last chord that you should learn is the chord of A minor. So you just have to put your index finger here on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay? So again, we have D minor, F, C, B flat, and A minor. So for the strumming pattern of the song, you just need to play down, up, down, up, basically in all the parts of the song. So it should sound like this one. Down, up, down, up. Ayan, ulit. Down, up, down, up. Okay? And then after that one, you need to transfer chords. So from D minor, you need to change to F. So down, up, down, up. Okay? Again, from D minor, down, up, down, up, F. Okay? So down, up, down, up. And then after that one, transfer to the chord of C. The same thing. Down, up, down, up. And then lipat sa B flat. Down, up, down, up. Tas ulit na naman. So for the first verse of the song, yung chord progression natin dyan is D minor, F, C, B flat. And you need to repeat that twice. And then after that one, we have A minor, B flat, F, and C. And for the strumming pattern, so yung tinuro kanina, yun na yung strumming pattern natin for the first verse of the song, including the chorus. Okay? So let's try to sing the verse 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the nights are long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. Ayan. So, after that part, so, chorus na tayo. Okay? So, for the chorus, so, after that part is the chorus. So, for the chorus, yung chord progression natin dyan is F, C, D minor, and B flat. And we need to repeat that 3 times. Okay? And yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. It's down, up, down, up. So, twice yung strumming pattern na yun in each of the chord. Okay? So, down, up, down, up. Tas lipat. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So that's for the chorus. So let's try to sing this part. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break up the dark, that's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. I look at you. Ayun. And after that part, we have the second verse of the song. So for the second verse of the song, we have F, C, B flat, D minor, F, C, B flat, A minor, B flat, F, and C. So parang wala tayong eksaktong chord progression dun no? Parang walang pattern. So, ayun lang. So, ilalagay ko din naman yung lyrics and chords dyan para hindi kayo mawala. I look at you, I see forgiveness, I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. I know I'm not alone. Yeah, when my... So, ganun yung mangyayari sa verse 2, and yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. And then after the second verse of the song, we have another chorus. So, ganun pa rin yung chorus natin. And after that one, we have the third verse. So, you appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. So for this part, instead of doing down, up twice, you need to do it once lang. So down, up, and then transfer chord, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ayan. So again, you need to do that strumming pattern. Yeah, down, up once in every chord. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? Okay, so for the outro, we have the chord progression of F, B flat, C, and B flat ulit. You appear just like a dream to me. So down, up, down, up, down, up, single down strum. So that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below yung mga songs na gusto nyo na ituro ko dito sa channel na to. And I'll see you guys on my next video. And make sure to subscribe. Bye!